and welcome back to my channel. This is a headless line that's multicolored, and I'm making this line for a custom order. And yeah, so this prompted me to buy some yarn because I was low on a couple of the colors that I needed to do it, and I still have like a whole head and mane to do. The arms are done. The arms are kind of in this little like multicolored pattern, but it's like a whole thing. I did post a picture of the drawing that I'm like making a plushie of. But yes, so I put in a Premier yarn order because this is all Parfait Chunky, and I did get some extra colors. So this is a yarn tutorial video. I know some of you guys love those, so I just wanted to show you what I got. I'm trying to put that back. I've got projects like all around. You can see a little blanket I'm making over there. This was from a Joann's yarn haul. This is the, what is it? Red Heart Granny All-in-One, whatever it's called. Yeah, so I'm gonna maybe do my first blanket. I've had a couple of try-set blankets, not good at blankets. As this is the main color for the body, this is Shell by Parfait Chunky. I got 4 skeins of this, which is definitely probably too many considering, but I've already gotten into 2. Then I wanted to check out the Bloom chenille because I've not tried that yet. Ooh, that's a slightly different texture than the regular Parfait Chunky. This is Bloom in the colorway Buttercup. I think that's cute. I'm a big fan of yellow, so I could see if you're not into yellow, you wouldn't be into this specific colorway. But I mean, it's yellow and pink, so it's kind of my vibe. This is the colorway I'm most excited about because this is all weight 6 but thin. I got 2 of every color that I got, at least 2 because I hold it double. I don't know how this is going to work with holding it double though, now that I'm thinking about it. We'll have to play around with that and see. But it honestly seems like a little bit thicker than the Parfait Chunky, I feel like. I don't know. But this is color Cherry Blossom. This is color, where the heck is it? Tulip. So this is pink on pink with the little flowers. I guess I should probably take it out of the bag. Full disclosure, I have 0 idea where I'm going to put it because my yarn wall is full. Pretty much. I do have a couple open cubes, but I've gotten like a lot of yarn from like 3 different places in the last month. So I don't think those 3 squares are really going to accommodate all of it. But yeah, color Tulip. It's really pretty. I might make like a cow or something out of this. This was for my order. I had to guesstimate on the blue which one it was because I did not feel like getting up and going to check my little swatches. So I guessed, and I guessed right. 2 sea glass, 4 of the, I think this is called lilac, yeah. 4 lilacs. This is a main piece for like the body, so I got a bunch of these, and I use this color kind of a lot. Now this is the orange flower version, and it's called Marigold. So you see the little flowers in it are orange. Oh, that changed the color kind of crazy. And you see this one side by side, that these are like a light pink. Now I've got a cone, which I don't normally buy cones because now I'm gonna have to spin this into balls, like wind it into balls. But I was low on, okay, cool. This orange, which I don't know if it's actually called mango in this color, because I thought mango was a different one. But either way, I was pretty low on this, and this color seemed to be out of stock. So I seen their Just Chenille had a pretty close match, and I'm pretty pleased with how they look in person. The texture might be a little bit different, but if I can like, you know, finish a body part with this and then use this on another area of the body, I don't think it'll look as weird. But because this is so thin, I'm going to have to spin it into like 2 balls to use to crochet together. But yeah, this is my second cone. I do have a purple cone down there too. More of the Bloom color. This is color Larkspur. It's an interesting name. Kind of a weird name for like a pretty yarn. But this is blue based. This is a green based. This is color Dewdrop. See, I feel like that's more of a blue name. And this is mint. You guys are familiar with mint, I'm sure. I really like the mint color. And then finally, we have a few skeins of a light blue. And that is all for my Premier Yarns yarn haul. So like I said, mostly, well, I guess maybe not mostly, but it was 50% colors for my order and 50% the Bloom yarn. because I've wanted to try that and I just haven't yet. And now it's kind of a bummer that it's after Valentine's Day, because I've seen that love bug pattern being passed around, and it used the bloom yarn, so that would have been really cute. Not that I can't make those like after Valentine's Day, but I feel like they would have done well around Valentine's Day especially. But I'll use it for something, I'm sure. That is going to be all for this video, and if you'd like more crochet content, you can check out this video right here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!